The greatest value you can derive from your data is when it's enriched with external data sources. What I mean by that is, giving your internal data more context. This is so critical to have a broader view of your business landscape, rather than going into an analysis paralysis with your internal data. A great example would be to understand the distribution of population across the country to align your sales efforts. If you are a firm that specializes in kids' products, it would help to know the population of your target and how it's distributed across the country. That's just one example. Here's another one. If you are in the housing business, it would help to know what consumer expenditures are. There are so many more examples. One such place you can get some great data and for free is the US government website. Now traditionally people have downloaded data from the website into a spreadsheet. But here's a much underrated tool that we frequently use to get some quick insights without even downloading this data. The UI is so good and we were pleasantly surprised when we came across this for the first time. Remember, this tool is absolutely free. So, here's the site. Link is in the description below. At the top you have custom industries, establishments, and filters. Let's start with establishments. As soon as you click on the drop-down you will be surprised with the amount of detail this drills into. First, you have consumers and residents. A lot you can learn about businesses. Consumer spending. And you can also upload your own data under My Variables. The consumers and residents category further breaks down into secondary categories. A ton of great information you can explore that includes demographic, socioeconomic, and housing characteristics. So first let's click on consumers and residents. And under socioeconomic characteristics, click on average income. Then you click outside the box and you can now see what that distribution looks like. You can hover over a state to see the exact numbers. Also, you have a legend here which you can configure in a color of your choice. Then you can also add a secondary variable to layer additional context on top of this. So let's say, I click on housing characteristics and then vacancy rate. Now you click outside the box and you see the orange dots added to the chart which represents the new variable that you added. Now you can see both what the average income is and what the vacancy rates are. Also, if you click on a specific state, you can get a dashboard with more details. You can set the stats that matter most to you. And also create reports. This will take you to another page. We'll get into details of this in a future video. But yes, quite powerful. You can also select the industry or sector that you want to focus on by clicking here. You can do a search, or simply select from the list they provide by clicking on Add Industries. It gives you a variety of categories and subcategories. You also have the option to download the data or add filters. Hope this helps with the analysis you are doing. Would love to hear from you about more use cases for this data. Let us know in the comments section below. See you soon.